Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the ELF smart plug. It is like a smart plug that you can configure using your Bluetooth so it turns on and off using your smartphone. Today we're going to make an unbox. So it is easy, you know. I like that. I like to use simple things like this one. Okay, the instructions package. Okay, I find something here. Something extra comes here. Yeah, these are the instructions here, and here you can find. It is nice and beautiful. I like it. So you configure the Bluetooth mode pressing this, and your phone will detect it, and you make all the configuration. And I'm going to use it in this Christmas to have my lights, my Christmas lights, turn on and off. Okay, so I really like this thing. I think it will be very useful in this Christmas. So thank you all. I like this little thing. I will try it this Christmas and let you know later if it really is as good as it looks. Thank you, and remember, ELF Smart Plug, the Christmas solution. Thank you and bye bye.